Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to go over and give you some ideas and tips on how to make some really fun and interesting gift tags and gift bag using your cross stitch designs. Now, here is a book that I think I've shown you all before, 2001 Cross Stitch Designs by Better Homes and Gardens. Now, many of you say you have other books you can use, so yes, feel free to go ahead and use whatever you have. But if you don't have anything, this is a great book. Now, here are some of the Christmas designs, and there's quite a few in here. So I've selected small designs like this to use on my tags. Here are little tags that I purchased, and I either got them at Dollar Tree or Walmart. I can't remember which one, but I think there's 10 of these little tags in there. So I selected one of the little small designs in the book, which was this little wreath. And then I added this in there. I just made it up and did a square straight line border all around it. Then I went out about 2 rows on the Aida cloth and cut and then pulled the threads out by doing a little bit of fringe. Now these tags had string included, but it didn't look very Christmassy, so I took 1/8 inch wide ribbon to insert it through the hole, and this way you can tie it onto your gift. And then of course on the back side you can write who it's to and from or any other little message. Let's say you want a little bit larger gift card, so you can make your own. You can get cardboard, draw out your shape, cover it with fabric. Now there's 2 different ways you can use this tag. So first, here's my cardboard shape. You can draw it any shape you want, and then cut out some fabric that's larger than your cardboard. I used a product called Mod Podge, and it's great for gluing fabric onto cardboard, and I just use one of these little foam brushes. So you would take your Mod Podge, put it all over the back side, and then lay it in the center of your fabric and press it down. Then you want to go and cut out about a 1/2 inch farther out than the size of your cardboard. Then take your Mod Podge again, put a little bit around the edge, and then fold your fabric over the edge and smooth it out. Now there's 2 different ways you can finish this off. One way, of course, is to make the gift tag. You can also make it into a Christmas tree ornament that looks like a gift tag. So this is the front. So on the back, I took my Mod Podge and glued another piece of fabric. So I cut that piece of fabric out smaller, so it's a little bit narrower to cover my raw edges. Now supposing you want this gift tag to actually be a gift tag for real. So you can take thin cardstock, cut it out a little smaller, and then either glue it down or use that double-sided sticky tape and put it down. Then you actually have a place to write to and from and a nice little message. So to tie it on your gift or hang it on a Christmas tree branch, you could fold this in half and then glue it on the back side. Or you can take this little thing called an awl, which I borrowed from my husband's toolbox, and you can just punch a hole through it and then insert the ribbon on the inside. And then you can take whatever motif, little design you chose and put it on the front. If you're going to make it a tree ornament, you could put a really pretty big bow on here, or you could make a smaller bow if it's going to be a gift tag. Isn't this pretty? This is my favorite one. This is a gift bag. And I bought this gift bag at Target in the stationery department. And it actually had 3 bags to the package. And there was a red one and a blue one besides this green. And it's made by Hallmark. So this one I made the snowman out of it. But notice how I did the border. I kind of somewhat loosely followed the shape of the snowman layout. And then again, I fringed the edges. I used double-sided tape to glue it down onto this package or this gift bag. Then I didn't really tie a bow. I just folded it around, used the double-sided stick tape to put it on. Now, if you really wanted to get elaborate, then of course you can make this little gift tag to tie around the bag. One other little tip I have for you is don't throw away your small pieces of Aida cloth. They are great for little projects like these. So get a little box, put them in there, save those pieces so when special occasions arise, you have something you can immediately grab and make a little design. Well, I hope you enjoyed these cross-stitch tips and you try doing some of these. I had a lot of fun doing this. And you can even make these throughout the year and save them up for those little special occasions. Now, if you're interested in other cross-stitch tips, I have many, check below your YouTube screen for those cross-stitch tips. There'll be a little playlist down there that you can click on. So you just go down to the description section, look for the words show more, click on either that or the down arrow, and it will expand open and you will see the tips. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.